Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not responding, not working, hangs, or freeze issues. If you've been experiencing frustrating freezes while trying to access your emails, this straightforward repair process should get your Outlook running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This step ensures that Outlook is active on your system, which helps you verify whether the issue is still present. Once your email has loaded, you're ready to begin the troubleshooting process that will address those annoying hangs and freezes. To fix Outlook not responding, not working, hangs, or freeze issues, you'll need to head to your control panel where your Apps and Features menu is located. Press your Windows key on your keyboard, then type in Apps and Features and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the Settings area where you can manage all the software installed on your computer. An Apps and Features settings window will appear on your screen. From here, you'll directly land on the Apps and Features section, where you'll see a comprehensive list of all the apps you've installed on your system unit. To save time browsing through this list, locate the search bar at the top and type in Outlook. This will filter the results and show you only the Outlook application. Once the result appears, click on it. You'll notice that an Advanced Options link will appear at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it to access more detailed settings for Outlook. From the Software Advanced Options window, scroll down until you find the Reset section. This is where the magic happens. From here, you'll see the Repair option, which is specifically designed to fix software issues that cause freezing or hanging while you're using the application. Click on Repair and give it time to process. The Repair function will scan for corrupted files or settings within Outlook and attempt to restore them to their original working state. This process might take a minute or two, so be patient while it completes. Once the repair is finished, you should notice that Outlook runs much more smoothly without the frustrating freezes or hangs that were slowing you down. By using this built-in repair tool, you've addressed the core issues affecting Outlook's performance without needing to reinstall the entire application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.